This nigga got a shotgun wrapped up in a garbage bag. You know, like a job application don't take nothing to fill out, y'all. That's all I'm like, bro. Like, should be blowing me, bro. It don't take nothing to fill out no job application. Look at these niggas. Look at these niggas, man. They just be out here doing whatever. Bruh, there are things that needs to be getting done, but niggas want to go loot houses. This is not GTA, brother. After forcing their way inside the victim's apartment, one of the suspects drove their SUV into the courtyard. Like, what are y'all doing? Look at this shit, bro. The suspect removed a safe from the apartment and loaded it into the back of the SUV. Like, in broad daylight. Look at these niggas. Y'all, look at these niggas. What are y'all doing, niggas? Ignorance. Just riding with it.